Welcome to Passware Kit 2021 version 3 What's New video. In this short video, we will do an overview of the new Passware Kit features and improvements. We're excited to announce the full release of Passware Kit Forensic for Mac. This was previously only available through a beta program, and now all active Passware Kit Forensic subscribers are welcome to download the full version from their Passware account. We've also made some improvements to full disk encryption support. Passware Kit has become the first software to detect and decrypt data encrypted with the Linux Unified Key Setup Algorithm version 2, otherwise known as LUKS 2. And from now on, the built-in tool to acquire memory images of Windows, Linux and Mac devices supports Extensible Firmware Interface version 1. With regards to supported applications, version 3 adds support for Dashlane, which is a popular password manager. We've also added in improved support for macOS keychains, including an improved UI. And on the topic of usability, we have increased the performance of Passware Kit while handling large numbers of files in batch mode, and users can now add comments or descriptions to password recovery attacks. Finally, we're happy to introduce a new product, Rainbow Tables for Windows, a set of rainbow tables shipped on a hard drive designed for almost instant recovery of Windows user password from NTLM hashes. So let's get into some more detail. Passware Kit 2021 version 3 brings a few important updates for full disk encryption. LUKS 2, a new version of the Linux Unified Key Setup disk encryption specification, was published in December 2020. This version of Passware Kit makes it possible to recover user passwords for disk images encrypted with PBKDF2 or Argon-based algorithm methods. Password recovery for PBKDF2 key slots can be accelerated on GPUs and reaches speeds of 251 passwords per second on a single NVIDIA 2080 Ti. Besides decryption, Passware Encryption Analyzer detects LUKS 2 disk images. Click Find Encrypted Files on the Start page and browse for the folder or drive with the encrypted data. Within a few seconds, Encryption Analyzer detects LUKS 2 encrypted volumes, displaying the protection flags and additional options. Select the file, then right-click and choose Recover Password. Confirm the settings and click Next to proceed with password recovery. Memory acquisition for computers with Unified Extensible Firmware Interface version 1. The previous version of Password Bootable Memory Imager worked great for machines with Extensible Firmware Interface version 2 and newer. This update provides support for Extensible Firmware Interface version 1. This enables the tool to be used for older Macs produced before 2015 and PCs with UEFI version 1. Passware Kit v3 adds support for Dashlane, both Mac and Windows desktop versions. By default, a Dashlane user can choose between two types of accounts, those that are protected with PBKDF2 or Argon 2 based encryption. On the Password Kit start page, click Password Manager and then select Dashlane. Browse for the Dashlane folder and enable Copy Unprotected Account Data if you want Password Kit to create a decrypted copy. Click Next. Passware shows the list of available accounts, protection flags and encryption complexity. Passware supports GPU acceleration for the accounts encrypted with PBKDF2 based algorithms. Password recovery performance for Dashlane accounts with the Argon 2D protection flag is relatively slow, reaching speeds of 63 passwords per second on an average CPU. And GPU acceleration for PBKDF2 based accounts providing an average speed of over 13,000 passwords per second on an NVIDIA 2080 Ti. There are now 1.65 billion Apple devices in active use globally, and Passware is here to support forensic examiners in the challenging task of acquiring crucial information from these devices. Passware Kit supports 3 macOS keychain file types, and not to be lost in all the options, we combine them under one macOS keychain section in the Password Managers module. Select the appropriate tab to continue with the analysis. The description on each tab gives a quick idea of the required data to proceed with decryption. In this example, I have selected the Local Items Keychain tab and specified the UUID folder for one of our test images, This one is a Mac OS Big Sur MacBook without T2. Click Next. Here I choose Customize Settings and click Recover. I've set up a join attack that adds 4 numbers after my custom dictionary. In version 3, there is now a new field called Custom Comment that allows adding a description to an attack. Here I use it to add a short note to the attack I've just created. Click Save Attack. On the attack settings page, you can resize columns, look through the comments, and organize the boards any way you want it. When ready, click Recover to continue. Once the password is found, Passware Kit extracts data from the local item keychain of Mac OS Big Sur and creates a decrypted plist keychain file. A forensic examiner might use that to get access to the encrypted APFS volumes of Macs associated with the same iCloud account. At Passware, we're focused on building the best decryption tool for computer forensics. If you've got any ideas on how to improve Passware Kit, please share them with us or vote on other people's ideas. Thank you.